I say again, Black Hawk down!
RPG left side! 5-1, command. Can you get a convoy to the crash site?
Can do, sir. On our way. Let's mount up. We have to consolidate at the crash before the militia gets there.
Whoa, where the hell did he come from?
I got it. Let's go, go, go!
Forget those bad guys on the ground. Take out those RPGs on the rooftop. Turn north. I've got a lot of guns coming this way. We can't go that way. There's too much fire. They're coming from everywhere. Go right. Go right, out of the alley. Right? There's no right. Must be left.
Go, go, go!
Take your next right. Take the very next right turn. We don't think so. There's a huge roadblock. What are you, nuts? They mind these damn roadblocks. No way. It's too dangerous. On your left, on your left. Shooter, high. Turn right. Where now? Right or left? Turn left. Command, I don't know how we did it, but we're back on the main road. Watch your left. There's too many of them. Turn south, just ahead. It's blocked. We'll have to find another way.
What if we ram through it?
We can't. That one's too big. We're gonna have to go around the outside of the city and come in from behind. You need to get the convoy turned around and head south 2 blocks. Barricades everywhere! Trash everywhere! Whole country out wandering around like it's Times Square! Turn right. Turn south, just ahead.
so I can't make it to the crash.
Copy, 5-1.
5-1, dismount the Humvee and continue on foot.
5-1, what's your status?
I'll go on foot. Let's move.
Me too! We're getting the hell out of here! I'll take the wounded and Tier 1 back and try to meet up with you! Let's roll!
5-1, our guys at the crash site are outnumbered and under fire. We need you there immediately.
Copy that. We're en route now.
Nice shooting.
Leave us alone! Stay away from it!
Let's go, go, go! Damn it, cut off. 1-1. 5-1 is unable to reach the site. We'll establish an overwatch to protect you guys until the helo can get to you.
Understand, 5-1. What's your price for firepower?
Let's get a good position in that building overlooking the crash site. Understood. Moving up now.
Militia coming in from the north! Militia coming in on the right! 5-1, this is Romeo 9. You're inbound to the crash site. Be sure the area is clear of RPGs. 5-1, take out those RPGs so we can get these boys out.
The rooftop is clear.